This video will come into your feed when your faith in the divine is dwindling and you start questioning your faith. Before I begin the video, I want to share a two small stories with you all. So, the first story is for the past few days, my faith in God has been dwindling to the point where I asked questions like, does God even exist? I'm not feeling that connection that I used to. I'm not able to concentrate more on prayers and everything. And like an answer from the divine, I had a consultation with one beautiful soul. He's a doctor. That's all I can say because our calls are always confidential. So he told me, like he asked me, "Do you know the shopkeeper story?" And I said, "No, I don't know any such story." And you know what he said? He said there was a little girl who came to a shop and wanted some chocolates. Okay, so she said, "I want one handful of chocolates." Then the shopkeeper says, "Go ahead and take it. You can take the handful of chocolates and then you can pay me." But the child says, "No, I want you to take it and give it to me." Then the shopkeeper gets irritated because there are a lot of people as customers waiting for him, and he says, "No, you take it yourself. It's for you, right? So you take it." Then the girl is still stubborn. She says, "No, I want you to take it and give it to me. I want only you, the shopkeeper, to give it to me." So the shopkeeper at this point is so irritated, and then he grabs that handful of chocolates from the box and gives it to that girl. The girl is now smiling and happy and everything. So when she's giving the money, the shop has now become less crowded. So this man is now curious. He asks, "Hey, little girl, why were you so stubborn that you wanted those chocolates only from my hand? What does my hand have?" Then she said, smiling, she said, "Uncle, your hand is bigger than mine. So if you give from your hand, I'll get more chocolates. If I take from my small hand, then I'll get only a few chocolates. But if you take it from your big hand and give it to me, imagine the number of chocolates that I'll get." So that person said, "Ma'am, you see, this is exactly what we pray versus what God gives. We ask for our handful, we contain God within our own human mind, but when God actually gives, now it's something that is totally different." And this story I've told everybody. I've told my sister, I called my mother and I've told everybody because it made something very, very clear to me. It's okay if the faith is going down because faith is just a human emotion. Human emotion is something that's like a chemical which is synthesized by our brain. That's it. And the brain is just another organ in the body. But somehow we give it so much preference because it gives us thoughts, those thoughts make us feel real, and all of it. So even on the days when your faith is dwindling, no, I want you to imagine this. Have you seen in those alien movies, people have this kind of antenna stuck from the head? I want you to imagine that there's this powerful light source, like my light there, a powerful light source, and from that light source comes a thread, and that thread is always connected to you here. So, whether you like it or not, you are always connected with the divine. It's just that some people experience it and bring the awareness of it into the physical body. Some of us don't, because some of us are so scientifically into proof and theories and everything that we stop our brain from experiencing the divine. That's it. So, faith is just a human emotion, and when faith comes down, it does not mean that God is not showering His love on you. No, it means that your temporary human emotions are very high and that you're missing the connection. That's it. And faith also dwindles when we don't get what we want. And for that, I want you to listen to the shopkeeper story again. More than you asking for something, whatever God gives will be very, very, very sufficient and very well adaptable to the future also. You and me, we ask based on the present, but God is going to. Yesterday also I saw a video of Premanandji Maharaj. He says God is present in the past, present and future. God is present in your mind also. He is present in your past, your present, and your future. So, what you and I do is we ask a prayer for the present condition. Give me a job, give me money, solve this problem. But God sees it from a behind, from a spectacle which you and I cannot understand. So the next time your faith is dwindling, it's okay if you can't do multiple pujas, you can't recite mantras and anything. Okay? Start trying to behave as a better human. Whenever your faith is not good, you don't get that connection, meet children. Their aura is so pure, their aura is not disturbed by any adult emotions, so their aura is very pure. So go and hang out with children up till the age of 5, because after 5 they start understanding. Parents are talking, they get desires and everything. Up till 5 they are this blooming flower that is there to just make everybody's life spiritually enlightened. Nobody knows this about children. That is why I spend most of my time either alone or with books or writing or with beautiful children. Shamelessly, I if even in my house, if I have a neighbor who has a baby, I'll tell them, I love babies. Mostly I'll come every day, half an hour, and I'll play with them. So when I tell them, no, the parents are also so happy that somebody is coming to take care of their child. It's like I am this unpaid nanny. I go there every day. I play with the child, I hug the child, kiss the child, I cuddle the child, and I feel so energized. So if your faith is dwindling, don't worry. God is not somebody whose foundation is laid on faith. The foundation is already made. Sometimes it just goes haywire and then we need to fix it. If you need help with any mental issues, life decisions, I give one-to-one counseling. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Please WhatsApp me, and I might take 2-3 days to respond because I handle this business all by my own. And hit the subscribe button. Let's make the channel grow very, very quickly. And I will see you all in another video. Lots and lots and lots of love. Subiksha. Bye bye.